Today we're going to be installing the smart socket. Before you begin, make sure you read your installation manual. Oh wait, is that it? Never mind. Are you ready? Let's go. That was hard. The smart socket has two outlets. Both can be controlled by our IQ panel. The screen shows how much energy is being used, and the Q means that it's been paired with an IQ panel. If you're creating rules for a smart home, make sure you plug in your appliances on the left side. This button right here changes from watts to kilowatts, or if you hold it long enough, it'll turn the outlet off. Smart sockets are so easy to install, you can put them almost anywhere. You can put one here, or one right here. You can squeeze one back there. Here's a good spot for one. I would love to put one there, but you would definitely need a ladder to do it. Really, the more of these you put in your home, the smarter your home is going to be. You didn't say go! Yeah. The smart socket. Really, the more you're gonna, am I saying more smart? Has it been 30 seconds?